Bitcoin is now more stable than stable coins. I'm not saying that. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, says CZ, the owner of Binance. And yes, he's right, because Bitcoin is more stable than ever. What does that mean? Well, friends, there is a system that calculates Bitcoin's volatility index, and this system has been in place since this graph was recorded. As you can see, the most stable period, so you can see that Bitcoin, we are experiencing a period of horizontal movement. Look, even on this weekly chart, there is a flat progression. So what is causing this? How did Bitcoin move in similar performances in the past, similarly in the periods after Bitcoin's linearization? That's what we're going to talk about today. Let's go to our video without wasting time. Friends, I am Monte Contu. I create content about cryptocurrencies and finance on YouTube. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Today, friends, we are going to talk about the volatility of Bitcoin. By the way, greetings to you all from Barcelona. I'm on a trip for about 30 to 40 days, and I'll be shooting videos with my lapel microphone. The sound quality might be a bit worse. There may be sounds from the street from time to time. I apologize in advance for this, friends. Now, before we talk about volatility, what is volatility? Let's look at this. Friends, when a coin you buy is $100. Evening it could see $150, or it could see $80 the next day. So what is causing this rapid price change? In this video, we explore this volatility in cryptocurrencies. We will examine the volatility part. The measure of fluctuations in the price of a financial product is called volatility. It simply shows how fast and how much the price of an asset changes. In cryptocurrencies, these fluctuations can sometimes be very fast and large, friends. Why is the cryptocurrency market volatile? Because it is a new market, a speculative market, a market far away from its regulations, and friends are weaker in liquidity. So is volatility bad? Volatility brings high return potential with high risk, friends. This is why, when investing in cryptocurrencies, you need to pay attention to volatility and risk. Since the risk is high, the gain will also be high. Today, friends, we're going to look at the volatility of Bitcoin. Previously, friends, this recording system has been kept since the beginning of 2009. And friends, since the date it was kept, we are at the lowest level since its first opening. So before that, let's look at what happened when it saw the lowest levels, friends. For example, December 2020, January. And then the highs and lows in March. We saw a very sharp volatility during and after the time of registration. After that, my friends, it was July 2020, and we are seeing high levels again in October. And after that, we see very high volatility. So whenever Bitcoin sees very low levels, is seeing very sharp volatility. Volatility does not necessarily indicate that it will rise, but it indicates that the price will be extremely volatile. Now, when we look at Bitcoin on these dates, the date I just mentioned, for example, friends, is October 2020. And again, early 20th century here, friends, look, there are flats, and then there are very bullish, very fast rises. So the price, the levels we saw from $9,000 to $60,000. The level you see here is again this weekly chart. And by the way, we can turn this into a diary. Again, in the same way, the period when volatility is low for a long time and then very sharp. Look at these guys, April 2022. Volatility falls again here, and then we have a sharp decline. So after volatility, a sharp rise or a sharp fall. And that's what we're going to see here right now. We're going to see that soon. It's going to be a hard fall. It's going to be a hard rise. Now, when we look at the crypto-related markets, inflation in the US coming in below expectations. Unemployment data is coming in favor of crypto for crypto. And right now, the interest rate is generating positive real returns. I'm speaking for America above inflation. Here, sir, BlackRock has applied for Bitcoin Ether for the spot market. This is very important. The spot market has not yet. When we do, investors will get real Bitcoins and the price of Bitcoin should go up. A lot of good news is coming, friends. Here in Turkey, I don't know, Garanti Bank has now started a period of trading with crypto. But we see an extremely coy Bitcoin. It does not increase in any way, but on top of so much good news, so much volatility falling and breaking records. My personal opinion is a bullish view. Of course, this is not an investment advice, but my expectation is that we will now see a bullish period. Because now, friends, when I was charting the bear and the bull, we friends saw the bottom of the bear here, and now we are in a bullish period. Now in this market, friends, let's look at these. DeFi, decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is very important for web use and for the future of cryptos. There is Superfinance, friends, a very important decentralized DeFi platform. DeFi platform, let's even say it directly. And friends, Viber was hacked because of its software language, and 7 million CRV tokens and $14 million. Ethereum was stolen, but well-intentioned hackers, and I love this, well-intentioned hackers stepped in quickly and secured the pools. And friends, there was no hard fall for the CRV. Many people even tried to collect from the bottom. In the cryptocurrency market, many friends made money here. For example, my friend Toby, I like him very much. He is very good at these things. I hope that one day we will succeed. Even he himself says, look, here he says, I'm going to tell you this now. A friend in the money market traded 1 Ethereum for 461 Ethereum. Sometimes there is an imbalance in the markets, friends. In Onage, for example, the guy saw the imbalance and 461 for 1 Ethereum, so he made $866,000, and he says himself, we would have retired if we had done something instead of sitting and tweeting. So the opportunity does not end in the cryptocurrency market. On DeFi platforms, friends, the opportunities do not end. But in DeFi, bad news came one after another for the month of July. For example, Konik Finance was hacked. 1,700 Ethereum was stolen from Konik Finance. By the way, the video you are watching right now is a reward video. 2 friends who like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, earn $10 from us. Again, friends, a DeFi protocol, Arcadia Finance, was hacked. $455,000 of Ethereum and Optimism was stolen. Now, when this was stolen, these wallet movements can also be tracked and hackers can be caught. That's why, for example, a man sometimes steals goods worth $10 million. He says here, give me $500,000 and I will return your goods, but we will make a deal and you will not follow me. It's really a very interesting scene. I'm talking about the cryptocurrency community. Especially in Turkey, their purchasing power is very bad right now. The dollar brings very high returns. That's why Turkish investors, Turkish users are very interested in cryptocurrencies. We will chase opportunities together with friends. For example, friends here definitely do the linear testnet. A nice testnet. We think there will be a reward. There is WorldCoin, friends. I will shoot a video about it here because there is that RB device about VLD. A video will come to you. Friends, we chase opportunities as much as we can. This is our Telegram command in. Be sure to join. This is our Twitter channel. If you have something on your mind, you can ask as a comment. Hope to see you in another video. Take care of yourselves.